VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It is a built-in Excel function that can help us look for a specified value by searching for it vertically across the sheet. Here shows the basic format of VLOOKUP. So basically, we just need to input 4 things. What we want to look up, where we want to look for it, the column number in that range containing the value to return, and then return an approximate or exact match, indicated true or false. Let's take a look at this example. This short table presents the students' quiz grades in the physics course. And now let's say I would like to know Joseph's first quiz grade. And in this case, we can just use VLOOKUP function. So starts with an equal mark, VLOOKUP. The first one is the lookup value, which is Joseph in our case. And then comma, table array, select the range. It should be noted that the first column in our example should also be selected. This is because Joseph is in the first column, and that is what we want to look for. Comma, the third one, column index number. For quiz number 1, which is in column number 2 in our selected range, right? So we can manually input 2. But in this example, I would like to make it more automatic. And we know quiz number 1 is in column number 2, and quiz number 2 is in the column number 3. So in this case, we can make the column index number into the quiz number plus 1. Comma. The last one, there are 2 options, true or false, because in this case, we know exactly the student's name, Joseph. So we're going to choose exact match. Hit enter. It gives us Joseph's first quiz grade is 90. And if we go back to the table, Joseph quiz 1, 90. So our formula is correct. And as I just said, we can make this very automatic. So if we change quiz number to 5, from the table we know Joseph's 5th quiz grade is 88. So hit enter, it's 88. It's correct. We can also change the name. For example, let's say the first one, Alex. Alex's 5th quiz grade. Hit enter, 88. And we can also change one to compare. For instance, Victor. Victor's 5th should be 98. So hit enter, it's 98. Okay, so this is how to use VLOOKUP function in Excel. In the next short video, we're going to introduce how to use HLOOKUP function.